Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about this swing trade that made me a little over $3,000 in 4 days of holding it. We're going to be talking about the strategy behind it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. Also, guys, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I do have an amazing school where I teach people how to find these opportunities, my strategies, my mindset, how I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years. So check it out down below. We're doing a half off sale only for this week. The first time I've ever done a sale this big. So check it out. You guys can use promo code half off to get 50% off the school. So check it out and I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at this chart here, you guys will see that this was my more recent swing trade on ticker symbol BLND. Now, the reason why I absolutely love this one here is we have this great upward trend. You guys will see that the stock goes in the upper right hand corner of the screen, establishing a nice upward trend here. On top of that, you guys will notice that I do have really three main indicators. The indicators that I absolutely love is this blue line, which is the 90-day moving average line. I love the red line, which is the 200-day moving average line. And then I love this green squiggly line called the RSI line. We'll start on the bottom of the indicators and work our way up. So the RSI line is the relative strength index. This determines the overall momentum of the stock. Now, looking at it here, historically, anytime that this stock was trading for a 37 on the RSI, we've gotten a lot of buying pressure from it. So let's go back and look. So you guys will see we had this great move, which was our trade. We also had this great move, which we traded in the past. And then as we zoom out, you guys will notice that it dipped down here. We had that great move. So almost every time it gets close to it, we get a lot of tendencies of getting great buying pressure. So now the other indicators that we have on here is this red line, which is the 200-day moving average line. Moving average lines, they act as trend indicators and they act as support and resistance. So when a stock is above it, historically here, we've seen tendencies of it getting a lot of support. When a stock is below it, you guys can see this red line, we've seen tendencies where it gets a lot of resistance, where it gets selling pressure. Now, like I said, the stock above it here, we've gotten, buying pressure. When it's below it, selling pressure. So the other indicator that we love is the 90-day moving average line. The 90-day moving average line, what we've seen out of this stock here is recent tendencies of getting a lot of buying pressure because it's above it, right? If it was below it, if it was trading under here, we would see a lot of selling pressure here. But since the stock is above it, what do you guys notice? We've gotten tendencies of getting great buying pressure. So now what we did is we understood that. So we hopped in actually, a couple weeks ago, actually right here at 220, selling at resistance all the way up here near and around this 3116 mark where it hit it and we got selling, hit it up here. We got selling pressure, hit it here again, more selling pressure. So then what we did is we understood that there was a lot of buying pressure on the 90-day moving average line. So this was the trade that made me a little over $3,000 is we hopped in near and around this 90-day moving average line right here. Now, what we do here is we set our stop loss just below it. So we can actually draw this out so you guys can see it here. So we set our stop loss just below it, near and around this $2.22. We set our target price all the way up here at 316. Our risk and reward ratio is 6.41. We risk $1 to possibly make $6.41. This is a fantastic risk and reward by understanding these basic indicators and basic strategy for your swing trade. So we hopped in here and we held it for literally 4 days, making a great profit. On top of that, right now, we do hold some shares of it to see if we can get some sort of squeeze out. But if not, it's not that big of a deal. We're doing a trailing stop loss. So if it does dip below $3, we're going to just sell our profit and sit on the sidelines and then just watch what happens. Using a trailing stop loss is super, super important for catching these moves that are running up. So if this stock continued to rally up, instead of taking profit here, we could take profit at a higher price. trailing stop losses are absolutely fantastic and a little tip that I would recommend for all swing traders. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. This is a very, very basic strategy that you guys can start using for your trades. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my swing trading course where you guys can learn how to find these plays. And we'll see you guys later. Take care, everyone.